Hello everybody! It's peak summertime, so that means I am in the workshop with the AC on. I'm going to start working on Christmas lights for the 2026 Christmas light season. Good opportunity to do that while it's too hot to do much yard work outside, and before all the fall deep cleaning stuff starts. I'll have a minute to do it right now. So I have here 2 strands. This one's got an aftermarket power cord, which will take care of that with some of my scrap sets. And I'm hoping this is a 40 count double flasher. It's dead. Already tested it out a little bit. See if I see any obvious issues with it. Don't see any lamps missing. See if I can get it working. Let's get the old Light Keeper Pro going. Might turn the lights off and see if I can see any sparking and arcing. Okay, perhaps that's... wait a minute. I think I saw some signs of life there. Something's trying to happen. So that's interesting. Okay, there's one issue. This blue lamp. So just a couple minutes work and already making a little progress. It's got mismatched reflectors. But however, I want to get it up and running before I go through the trouble of relamping and all that good stuff and putting matching reflectors in it. Okay, so it appears this is a 40 count double flasher, so that's awesome. I like these. So go to the next circuit, see if I can get any activity there. What's interesting is it's working without the lamp installed. See anything happening there. So I will check for loose connections and come back here in a little bit, see if I make any progress. Alright, some wonderful news. Both circuits are working and stable. So this one is an excellent candidate for a relamping. And I can make sure all the reflectors are the same. So very, very good. My main issues were this flasher lamp here, and then there was a yellow one that didn't want to illuminate. The pin was broke off the light bulb. So this one here, might try to get that one going and then do the same thing there. Let's take a look at this light strand number 2. I think this one had some missing lamps. There's one right there. See if I can eliminate some obvious problems to begin with. And that one, the pins remain, but the lamp is gone. Looks like I've got another one of those style. Let's plug this one in and see what it does. Here we go. Applying some voltage. Okay, looks like we got some life. Okay, that's interesting. Looks like it's got a speedy flasher in it. And it's also appears to be a double flasher, 40 count. So I did very well on this acquisition, buying them as parts. Don't know how I feel about that speedy flasher. But I'll see if I can get this other circuit going. Do the Light Keeper Pro here. I'm thinking I'm going to have to ditch that speedy flasher. Find it again. Right there it is. It's a little bit more than I can handle. There we go. That's more like it. So now I will set this up and see if I can figure out what the heck's going on with it. Quick update on this second strand. I found a broken wire on the first socket, so redoing that connection. Well, good news. I was able to get this other strand working that I thought was going to be a part strand. I did do a little work on this first socket, replaced it with a more modern one. My spacing's a touch off on that first two lamps, but that's okay. Got a blue one out there. But I can proceed with the relamping on this one. Got to find a proper cord for that to splice on there. I don't care much for that. But both 40 count double flasher strands are working. And for reference, here's the first one I got working. So definitely candidates for a full relamping, which they should be the 6-volt lamps. Then make sure all the reflectors are matching. I should have enough spares to make that happen. So heck yeah. Get the double flasher on this Christmas, on the main Christmas tree. Now let's take a look at the double flasher circuit in action. I definitely prefer these over the entire strand that flashes on and off. Just about got this repair job tidied up and finished up. Got the replacement cord on that one strand with the tulip petals. All relamped both strands. Got all the mismatched reflectors replaced, all the broken ones replaced. Got them in my pattern, the red, blue, pink, orange, and green. So I'll do the heat shrink tubing on this and should be done. Time for a smoke test. Looks like everything is working just fine and dandy. Got those splices offset a little bit. All tidied up, heat shrink tubing, all good to go. So there's this variety and that variety. Actually pretty nice sockets there for what they are. Look like these are a touch better, these darker green ones. Let's take a look at the final product. Like I said earlier, I like how every other one in the circuit twinkles instead of the entire run. Much more pleasing to look at. There's always something on. So once again, refurbishing a couple of strands of 40 count double flashers. Thank you for watching.